In this video, I'll walk you through a trading setup using two free TradingView indicators that can help you catch some of the market's biggest moves. If you're after a simple yet effective strategy for finding high-probability trades, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's look at our first indicator. We've covered it before in detail, but I'll give a quick overview to make sure everyone understands how it works. The Support and Resistance High Volume Boxes indicator is a tool designed to identify key price zones where high trading volume occurs, often indicating significant support and resistance levels. By analyzing volume data alongside price pivots, the indicator highlights areas of interest where price action is likely to react, either holding these levels or breaking through them. Instead of relying solely on price data, it uses a volume-based function to differentiate between high and low volume levels, allowing for a more accurate depiction of critical zones. The tool also adapts dynamically, using adjustable parameters like the look-back period, volume filter length, and box width to cater to different trading styles. The visual representation includes shaded boxes at support and resistance levels, color-coded to reflect volume intensity. These boxes adjust as new data becomes available, and the indicator tracks whether these levels hold or are breached. Breakouts are marked clearly, with additional labels indicating when resistance turns into support or vice versa. This indicator works well independently, but adding our second tool helps reduce false signals and improves both entry timing and trade management. Combining these two indicators creates a more reliable trading approach. Our next script is called RMI Trend Sniper by TZAC88. The RMI Trend Sniper is a TradingView indicator that combines the Relative Momentum Index RMI and Money Flow Index MFI to identify trending market conditions. It creates a dynamic range around the price to help traders spot potential trend changes by calculating the average of RSI and MFI values to measure market momentum. Positive momentum occurs when this average crosses above the upper threshold while staying above the lower threshold, with confirmation from a short-term moving average. Negative momentum is identified when the average drops below the lower threshold with the same confirmation. The band's width automatically adjusts to market volatility using the average true range, ATR, while small markers appear at the bottom during bullish signals and at the top during bearish signals. Additionally, the indicator changes candle colors to match the current trend. With its dynamic range calculation, the RMI Trend Sniper adapts to different market conditions, filtering out noise and highlighting significant trend changes. Look for confluence between the two indicators. High-probability setups occur when price reacts to a support or resistance level, highlighted by the high-volume boxes indicator, and the RMI Trend Sniper confirms the trend direction with its color-coded band and momentum signals. If you want a complete trading system with full customization so you don't have to jump between tools, Quantum Ribbon Pro was built for that. Link in the description. Let's continue. For long trades, ensure the price is at or above a key support level, with the RMI band turning blue and bullish momentum confirmed. For short trades, ensure the price is at or below a key resistance level, with the RMI band turning red and bearish momentum confirmed. Place your stop loss just below the support zone for long trades or just above the resistance zone for short trades. Use the width of the RMI band, adjusted by ATR, to gauge market volatility and fine-tune your stop loss and profit targets. Exit the trade if the price breaks back through the key support or resistance level, or if the RMI Trend Sniper signals a reversal by changing band colors or breaking momentum thresholds. By following these rules, you can effectively spot high-probability trades, reduce false signals, and improve your overall trading performance. In our last video, we rounded up 20 TradingView tools that had been trending recently. You can check that one out by clicking the banner here.